Hi everyone, I'm back here Neha, day 2 of our Chakrasana series. So day 1, quite a good response. So I'm pretty excited to practice day 2 along with you. So as we worked on our spine yesterday, today we are going to involve our spine as well as shoulder movement. So without any further delay, let's get started. And yes, if you like practicing with me, do like the video. So whatever we are going to practice today is anyways going to be quite a good warm up. But then if you want to put some extra effort, I would say practice 5 to 6 Surya Namaskara prayer. And also when you do these movements along with me, focus on your breath and always try to go slower and deeper, because practicing fast might not be very helpful. Practicing slow can be really helpful to gain more flexibility. Okay. So the first one, drop your knee down, drop your palm down. Here, one arm distance between your both the knee and one arm plus one palm distance from knee to the palm. So now let us try to give a rotation of the entire body, basically your stomach, your spine as well as your shoulder. So from here 5 times clockwise and then 5 times anti-clockwise. Exhale, forward and then side. Try to stretch, roll your shoulder a bit. Slowly come forward, feel your shoulder to the front. Back, exhale, spine, side, forward and back. 3 and back. 4, move your entire body but try to go slow. Last one, 5 and back. Now same thing other side. 1, go little ahead. 2, move your shoulder, stretch your arms. 3, 4, 5. Come to center. Now just move your shoulder up and down. Let's do this 5 times. Exhale down, hold for a second and out. See, you have to extend your shoulder as much as you can. Down, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. Now center, get your both the palm together. See, right hand goes forward. Imagine you have something in your hand which is sliding forward. Maintain the structure of your spine, so do not lose the entire control. You watch me once, then you can practice with me from the next count onwards. From here, keep your right hand firm on the ground. Left hand will slide, go forward. Try to push your shoulder to the ground as much as possible. Closer. You can bend your right elbow to maintain the balance, but keep your palm firm and come back. I'll try the same thing other side. You can bend your elbow but keep your hand firm. Stretch your hand out. Look to the side, trying to press your shoulder down. Come back. Okay. Now let's try these together 5 times both the sides. Inhale. Exhale down. Press your hand down. Feel the stretch in your shoulder. Come back. Out. Come back. 2. Come back. Down. Come back. 3. Come back. Down. Spine in. Come back. 4. Come back. Down. Press and come back. Last one. Down. Give a nice stretch. come back. The last one. Stretch, 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 come back. Now from here, you're going to relax your shoulder a bit. Now, your knee and your hip joint is going to be in one line. So don't change that. Don't try to push your hip back. Take your hands forward. Now press your shoulders down and up. Down and up. Down, hold. Either drop your forehead down or continue to be here. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Now the next movement, which involves your shoulder as well as your spine both, just watch me out once. See, when you go to Parvatasana, one thing, lift your heel up, push your hip up, your shoulder and your wrist is almost in straight line. Okay, so from here you're going to push your hip back, trying to get your wrist and shoulder in one line. Release. Let's do this 5 times. Inhale, forward. It's okay if you can bend your knee. 2, forward. 3, forward. 4, forward. Last one. 5, drop your heels down, hold, stay here, look down to the knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here, slowly roll your shoulder and come to Bhujangasana. Open up your chest, open up your shoulder, stay here. Feel the stretch in your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop it down. So let's do this movement again few more times from here to Bhujangasana. A deep stretch and come back. Deep stretch and come back. 3, come back. 4, come back. The last one for the spine here today. Hold. 1, open up your chest and shoulder. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift and come back. From here, just come to child posture. Drop your head down. You have to equally relax your spine as well. Now turn to the right side. Breathe in, breathe out. Other side. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Slowly release. Now one last movement for the shoulder before we wind up for today. Take your both the hands, okay, open up your shoulders. So it should be straight line and then just bend your elbow inside. From here we'll do a little bit of movement for the shoulder. Drop your shoulder down and other side. Down and other side. Few more times. 3, shift, press your shoulder inside. 4, this will give you a very good momentum for the shoulder to move. So try to move this in one direction, both the sides. Last one more and release. Open up your arms, drop it down. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Before you leave the mat, make sure that you're completely relaxed. So you have an option to do Shavasana or a little bit of a pranayama to relax your body. Make sure that you equally give importance to relaxing as well as your stretches. Try not to overdo, that will actually delay the journey of you reaching one of the asanas. So take it easy, practice and leave a comment about your experience. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. I am also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.